Hello guys and welcome back. So in this particular video we'll be talking about the rotate tool. Just as the name implies, rotation just helps you. I'll start with this one first. Helps you rotate your image. Now it comes with just these two other tools. Why this one help me to flip? You can see it just helped me flip. Now I can also use my finger to rotate the image. It just gives it a kind of cool vibe. I'm just moving. Just look at the screen, look at how I'm moving my finger. So okay, so I'm actually moving my hand towards the left side on the screen. So if I move my hand across the right side on from the top, so at the base I was moving it towards the left side. Now from the top I'm moving it towards the right side, still towards the left side. So you see how the image was moving, and you notice how this straighten image, it happens to be if you want to straighten an image. Okay, so but I actually don't have any image I want to straighten here. But if you want to straighten the head of this lady, then you click on this check mark. You see the neck is a bit straightened. Alright, so that's everything for this tool. See you in the next video.